Shipping times. How you can get faster shipping times on Aliexpress, especially with everything that's been going on right now in the world. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys and sharing with you guys the best way you can get 4-day shipping on your products from USPS to the States through Aliexpress. Alright guys, so right now we're just in my computer, and this is going to be a quick video for today, just because I feel like that there's not really much needed to say about this, but I think it would help you guys a lot in the long run, especially when you guys are scaling. We have mentioned how to do this before, but we haven't actually shown it on a screen recording before, so I feel like this would be the perfect video for you guys to be seeing right now, especially with everything going on. So again, just to remind you guys how to get 4-day shipping, or even you could be even quicker shipping depending on the supplier that you choose on AliExpress. So I know something right now that's kind of trending, especially with the whole COVID-19 situation here, is stuff that sells at home. So like fitness, for example, like fitness products that you could use in your house. So I'm just going to generally look up fitness in the AliExpress category here, okay? I'm not looking up anything specific. And now if you guys see this little button right here, it says ship from, what you're going to want to do is literally ship United States. You want to click that, okay? And what this is going to do is going to ship all of the United States warehouses that AliExpress has. And basically, when you click on one of these products, so let's just go here, click on this one. So you choose your variant, whatever. So this one doesn't ship from the States. Okay, so this one does, okay? So you click United States here, and you can see that this one says deliver before April 10th, but that's usually not the case. Whenever you see 7-day buyer protection, that's usually the shipping time that it ships in. So this one would be 7-day shipping, but this isn't the best example. So we can keep scrolling around here. I'm trying to find something that would literally sell, would literally ship in 4 days from USPS. So like right here, for example, okay? So I just clicked United States shipping and to United States via USPS, okay? And some people have argued about this, saying that it's not actually legit. The suppliers are just saying that. But honestly, when you actually look up the tracking information that they give you, it does ship from United States, and it's actually the USPS carrier as well. So they're not lying. I mean, it is legit. Sometimes it says like AliExpress shipping method instead of USPS. That could be like not always correct in terms of like the estimated delivery. So that's why usually I like to find USPS. But the only problem with this, guys, not that it's an issue, but I mean, you can only ship United States to United States. So what that means is if someone buys something from another country on your store, then other than the United States, so say from Canada or from Europe, then you can't provide this shipping rate to them. This is only United States to United States. So you'd have to unfortunately ship from the China variant, which is either the AliExpress shipping or ePacket, but I wouldn't recommend ePacket right now. As you can see, the estimated delivery time is absolutely ridiculous. It looks like it's saying 2 months here. But the upside to this, guys, like I said, you're going to have better logistics and better tracking information. Obviously, you will be scaling most likely to the US, especially at this time. And that's always general for me too, because I usually scale in the States anyways. So, I mean, this is pretty applicable. You can just, once you have enough data on your ad account, your pixel, you start scaling heavily to the United States. This won't even be an issue. Most of your customers are going to be from the States anyways. But let's just see if we can find one more product here just so we could get a better example. So this one, again, United States. This is also USPS, 4 to 7 days delivery. I think that's awesome, guys. That literally competes with other retailers, like general retailers, big brands as well. And obviously it doesn't compete with Amazon, like 2-day shipping or even same-day delivery like with Amazon Prime, but it is pretty close considering it's just from AliExpress, right? So, but then again, guys, do your digging, do your research. And with the cost of shipping as well, obviously it will be a little bit more expensive considering its faster delivery time. This one here, again, this is not USPS. This is just seller's shipping method. So I'd always be a little cautious with these ones. Just because it says the carrier is seller shipping method. So that doesn't necessarily mean it's USPS. It could just be whatever tracking information that they're using. We're not 100% sure. But let's just see here again, United States, just so you guys get the idea. And again, 4 to 7 day shipping. So this product here would be $6. The shipping would be $3.87. So roughly almost about over $10 to fulfill this item, which isn't bad at all considering the Chinese variant is still $6 with the additional shipping charge of, or it'd actually just be free. So you are paying $3 more for shipping, but that's totally fine because if you include that your customers are shipping from, you include that you are shipping from the United States, I think people would rather spend a little bit of extra money to get it quicker than spend $2 less or $3 less and receive it 30 days after. So that's all I have to say pretty much for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you thought it helped you a lot. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to DM us on Instagram, direct message us on our personal accounts, and we'll be more than happy to get back to you guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.